Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Squarespace Site Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Squarespace Site Manager, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in squarespace.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Squarespace account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Squarespace dashboard. From here, you can access all of your site management tools. If you have multiple sites, select the site you wish to manage from the list. Now you can start managing your site using the various options available in the Site Manager. For security, remember to log out when you're finished, especially on shared devices. To log out, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, select the Log Out option. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.